how to make your voice recordings sound better. I'm going to go ahead and open up Audacity. And what I did prior to this video is I went ahead and I just recorded myself talking and I exported that audio. So I'm going to go ahead and import it just like I showed you in previous video, me talking. Voila, voila, voila. There it is. Okay, let's go ahead and listen to it. Don't forget to subscribe to The Explosive Videos for more tutorials. And also, I have a comedy channel, Explosive Videos. So go there and get your funny on. Okay, doesn't sound too bad. Of course, when everybody hears their own voice, they're like, sounds horrible. But as far as my sound, it doesn't sound too bad. One thing I do want to bring to your attention is you can definitely tell where my voice is speaking. It's showing the volume there. But if you notice at the beginning and at the end, it looks like there's still some noise that's coming in. Currently in my house, I have my computer, which is over here humming because of the fan. And also, my refrigerator decided it wanted to kick on while I was recording this. So that's the little background noise that you hear there. Let me go ahead and show you how to clean that up. You're going to take your selection tool, select some of that silent area or what's supposed to be silent. Then you're going to go ahead and hit Effects, go down to Noise Removal, Get Noise Profile, and what it did is it took a profile of that selected area. Now you want to go ahead and either drag your selection tool over the whole track, or what you can also do is just click over here, boom, and it selected the whole track. We're going to go back to Noise Removal once more. Going to click OK. Whew. You see what it did? It took, I'll go ahead and show you. I'm going to undo that. It went from this. I'm going to redo. And it silenced that noise a little. Let's see if we can hear that. Don't forget to subscribe to The Explosive Videos for more. All right, let's just listen to the end part and get your funny on. Not that bad. Okay, so whenever you do the noise removal, one thing it does take away is a little bit of the bass as well. So what you can do is you go here to Effects, Bass and Treble, and you can adjust your bass up. I normally set mine anywhere between 3 and 7. I never really go any higher than 7. You really just have to mess around with it and see what you like. I'm actually going to go ahead and go with 3. Alright, and let's hear it. Don't forget to subscribe to The Explosive Videos for more tutorials. And also, I have a comedy channel, Explosive Videos. So go there and get your funny on. Alright. Now, what I'm also going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit more cleaning up here. So, you'll probably notice I'm doing some of the things that I showed you in the earlier tutorials. I'm going to go ahead and silence this beginning part. And simply just going to delete this down at the end. And there's little areas inside here where I might not want to hear myself breathing. And I'm just going to go ahead and silence those as well. And one thing that really saves time and speeds things up is learning hotkeys. So hotkey for silencing audio is going to be Control L, and voila. Alright, let's listen to it. Don't forget to subscribe to The Explosive Videos for more tutorials. And also, I have a comedy channel, Explosive Videos. So go there and get your funny on.